Good morning. So it's day 9. Feeling much better today. Got some really good sleep last night. Worked until about 9:30, 10 o'clock, at which point I had dinner, which was basically just leftovers of lunch. Because I don't think I explained, but we don't have the fridge working yet either. So we're pretty much, this is our fridge. A nice cooler. So I had to eat what was left over from lunch, so just powered that down. But luckily, in this clubhouse back here, there is a microwave, so that's cool. So I could reheat it, and just powered down that. And man, as soon as I hit the bed, I was out like a light. So, but very well rested today, and starting to get pretty used to this whole thing. Didn't take me so long to make coffee this morning, which is good. And yeah, so I think today though, well, I have to do some laundry, so I got to go to the laundromat. But I was thinking of just doing some kind of water fun, and I totally forgot. But there's a pool here at the Marina, so I think I might hit the pool later, which is pretty cool. So, all right, that's it for my log of day 9, and we'll catch you back in the next log. Have a wonderful day.